In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a Canva doc in TravelJoy. If you've created an itinerary, proposal, or travel document in Canva and want to send it through TravelJoy, the process is very straightforward. The key thing to remember is that TravelJoy accepts the file as a PDF, so the first part of the process is downloading your Canva document correctly, and the second part is uploading that PDF into your client's trip inside TravelJoy. To get started, open your Canva document. Once you're inside the design you want to send, go to the top right corner and click Share. From the menu that appears, click Download. Canva will then give you file type options. Here, choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. In most cases, either option will work, but both are PDF formats, which is what you need for TravelJoy. After selecting the PDF option you want, click Download again and save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer. This will make the upload step much faster. Once your Canva file has been downloaded, head over to TravelJoy and open the client's trip where you want to attach the document. Inside that trip, click Create and then choose Proposal. This is where you'll begin building the item you want to send to the client. When TravelJoy asks for the itinerary or proposal type, choose File Upload. This is the important option because it allows you to attach the PDF you just exported from Canva rather than building the proposal directly inside TravelJoy. Next, upload your file. You can either drag and drop the Canva PDF into the upload area or click the upload area to browse your computer and select the file manually. Since TravelJoy accepts PDF files, your Canva document should upload without any issue as long as it was saved in the correct format. After the file is attached, add any proposal details you want to include. This is a good moment to review what the client will see and make sure everything looks polished and complete before sending it out. When you're ready to move forward, click. Next, review email. This takes you to the final review stage where you can check the email that will accompany the proposal. Once everything looks good, click Send, and that's it. You've successfully taken a Canva document, downloaded it as a PDF, and attached it to a TravelJoy proposal for your client. If you want the process to go smoothly every time, just remember, export from Canva as a PDF first, then upload it in TravelJoy using the File Upload Proposal option.